Just that simple, where AI meets clarity. Viewers, my name is Stefan Arbeck, and I'm the founder of Just That Simple. And at Just That Simple, we have something exciting. We are taking on a new era of customers. But first, a little bit about me. I'm a 32-year veteran of the IT sector. I'm still working in IT today, but I'm also running Just That Simple. To pay it forward to my experiences over the 32 years in IT, to people like you that might have business problems that I can possibly help resolve. And entrepreneurs, business people, just individuals, whatever. Anybody who has a business need to solve a business problem. So you're probably saying to yourself, how does an IT person like me know about business process? And more so, how does an IT person like me know about how to fix a business process? Well, I know a lot. I've been very successful in my roles in IT, spanning high-tech technology since 1994. I worked in the internet era, I worked in the mobile phone era, I worked in the social media era, and of late, the AI era. And I see a lot of high-tech technology, and I've played numerous roles in all of these eras, solving problems with technology. So I'm actually very well-versed in this area. This channel is going to focus on how we can leverage AI tools to solve your problems, your business problems, and to come to a successful conclusion, successful business outcome. So how are we going to accomplish this? It's very simple. We're going to design videos, training videos, which takes you through a process of outlining the AI tools that you need to get to your business problem in a specific order. It's pretty much just that simple. So we'll cover as many scenarios as we can over time with a specific process utilized for each one using AI tools to make the problems that you face today go away. It's just that simple. That's it. So you just follow this channel over time. You'll be ahead of the game of most people who are not into AI tools yet. And you'll learn quick, simple strategies for all kinds of different unique business problems just simply by just watching our channel. And as we clearly lay out what tools you need and how quickly you can leverage them to overcome your unique business problems, which I call UBP. So lucky for you all, I'm going to show a quick teaser of what type of video you can expect. This one is one about talking about event planning, and it's going to go over the processes of event planning, of using AI tools and what an event planner would use today versus what they might have used yesterday, and how much faster and more efficient they will be. So let's jump right in and let's do this. I'll come back after the video and we'll briefly discuss that, what came out of that, and we'll see where we go from next. All right, thank you. I'll see you in a little.
Event planning is a juggling act, timelines, vendors, RSVPs, chaos. But what if AI could handle the heavy lifting so you can focus on what really matters, creating an unforgettable experience? Imagine brainstorming event themes, names, agendas, and even scripts with the help of ChatGPT or custom GPTs. Simply ask for a one-day conference agenda, and boom, you've got a draft in seconds. Next, integrate that into Notion AI or ClickUp AI to build dynamic project plans. These tools auto-generate timelines, assign tasks, and track milestones with AI suggesting optimizations. When it's time for event promotion, tools like Jasper or Copy.ai craft high-converting emails, social captions, and landing page copy tailored expertly to your audience. For fast visual creation, Canva Magic Design can auto-generate branded materials, while Runway or Synthesia create promo videos in minutes, no crew needed. For full automation, leverage ChatGPT plugins or Zapier's AI flows to seamlessly manage ticketing and follow-ups. This isn't just event planning, it's event engineering faster, smarter, scalable. Want the full workflow? Dive into our deep dive next.
So, see how simple that was? Now that was just a teaser video just to get you into it and see how our training works. And of course we're going to come up with a better, more in detail one of these down the road, which will be take you through more of an in-depth look at how it actually works for Event Planner. Now this was an event planning video, so if you're an event planner and you got a lot out of that teaser video, you can almost just take that and go back and use that and leverage that to do it now. You don't even have to wait for the in-depth video. But anyway, that's what we had our first show today for. It's informative. So if it was, can you please hit that subscribe button down there at the bottom and let us know. And thank you for all attending our first brand new channel video for using AI tools and being shown by video trading. Thank you very much and have a great day.